Hey guys, it's Heidi. Yeah, I'm just doing a sound thingy because people are complaining that they cannot hear me. So I'm trying something else. I've gone back to my old phone, and I think the sound on the old phone is probably better. Um, yeah, I've changed my channel name, and I might change it again. Anyway, this is just a sound check, and yeah, just let me know if you still can't hear my voice. And yeah, especially when it trails away and the dogs are barking next door. I don't know if you're going to hear that. Oh, crumbs. Anyway, okay. Lots of love. Bye.